Hi, welcome to Estatoora LMS. Today, we will talk about the H5P activity. Find multiple hotspots and how you can use it in your courses. This activity would encourage learning to students in a fun and interactive way. So, let's start. First, turn on editing. You won't be able to see the button Add an activity or resource if the editing is off. Once you are on the page or in the space where you want to put this type of activity, click Add an activity resource. Then go to Activities and find H5P. Once you click it, you will be directed to this page where you will have to fill out all the necessary details before proceeding to create the activity itself. In this box, type in the name of the activity you will make. Since the activity is about choosing multiple hotspots, let's put Find Multiple Hotspots. In the next box, add a description of the activity. Click Display Description on course page if you want it to be shown on your course page. Then, let's type in the description. Find multiple hotspots is like the game Find the Objects, but requires more critical thinking. After adding the description, click the Grade drop-down button to edit the grading system for the activity. Choose the type of grading system, input the maximum grade or the perfect score as well as the grade category and the passing score. For the attempt options, you may allow your students to have multiple attempts and choose which of the attempts will be recorded, whether it would be the highest score, average, lowest, the last attempt, first attempt, or you can opt not to calculate it. However, as noted, some H5P don't provide attempt tracking data, so in such cases, this setting will have no effect. In the Common Module settings, you can edit its availability and you can make it a group activity. You can also apply access restrictions, and under the activity completion, you can set a deadline. Add a tag. I will be showing you later on where the students can find this. Enter tags. Find the multiple hotspot. Now that we're done filling out the necessary information, we can now create the activity itself. Let's go back to the top. Click this sentence right here where it says use the content bank to manage your H5P files. Once you click it, you will be directed to the content bank. Click the Add button, and you'll see this list of the H5P activities that you can use for your course. In this tutorial, we will be focusing on find the multiple hotspots, so let's find that. Here, click it. As you can see, there's no need to go to H5P's website anymore, since the editor is already integrated into your website. So that's less hassle since you won't have to create an account, sign up, or activate a membership anymore. Again, type in the title of the activity, for example, Basic Animal Groups. Now, for the first step, give a title for the question. You can put here the main topic or what the activity will be about. Let's say animals under the group of reptiles. Then we'll choose the background image. Click Add and choose the image you will use from your files. Here we go. The next step is to type in the task description or the instructions which of these animals or reptiles. Under the hotspot name, type in what the user is trying to find. So in this activity, we put reptiles. Number of correct hotspots that we need to be found for question completion. We have 3. Then over here, you have to choose which figure you will be using for your hotspot. Let's try the circle. Do not forget to click the checkbox if what you will mark is the correct answer. The feedback appears to the students once they click the spot. You can simply say, "That's right, congratulations, very good." Or you may add a short description so it can also serve as a review for your students. Example, "Very good. Turtles are cold-blooded reptiles known as testudines." Click Done. Then let's drag this figure to the turtle and adjust on where the correct spot will be. For the other answers, just repeat the process. Click the circle, tick the checkbox, add the feedback. Very good. Snakes are reptiles under the suborder Serpentes. And lastly, just repeat the process, click the circle, tick the checkbox, add feedback. Very good. Crocodiles are reptiles of the order Crocodilia. After you finish placing the spots for all the correct answers, you may also add feedback if the user did not click on the spots where the correct answers are. Let's put "try again." And if the user selects an already found hotspot, you can also add feedback. Type, "You have already found this. Try another one." Once you're done, you can now save the activity. Okay, let's check and try it for ourselves. Which of these animals are reptiles? Turtle, correct. So over here, you can see the feedback. Now, let's try clicking outside the correct answers. Okay, it says "try again." And if we will click the turtle again, it says "you have already found this. Try another one." There we go. So now let's find the other correct answers, the snake and the crocodile. Once everything is good for the activity you created, you can already click the close button and it will be stored in the content bank. Here it is. Now let's go back to the page where we are supposed to upload this file. Click on the box, then choose the one that we have created earlier. Select the file, click Save and Display, and there you have it. Again, you can try to click on the spots to double check, and as easy as that, your activity is good to go. So that's it for the tutorial on the H5P activity, Find Multiple Hotspots. There are more tutorials for other interactive and fun H5P activities like this one, so see you on the other videos. Bye!